On my vacation, my dad took my dad took me my dad took me to New York City. There were great big buildings and lots of things to see and do. We went to the museum, the museum of modern art. There we saw many strange things.